Hey there, B.com students! Ever wondered how to get started with installing cost systems? Today I'm breaking it down for you. Let's dive into the essentials of cost accounting. Alright, first things first. What is a cost system? Well, it's a method used to track, manage, and report costs of production. Think of it as the backbone of your financial insights. Cool, right? Now, installing a cost system involves several steps. Step 1. Identify your cost objectives. What do you need to know about your costs? This could be anything from production costs to sales expenses. Step 2. Choose a cost accumulation method. This could be job order costing or process costing, depending on your business type. Job order costing is great for custom products, while process costing works for continuous production. Now, on to step 3. Select a costing technique. You can go with standard costing, activity-based costing, or marginal costing. Each one has its perks. Step 4. Implement a cost recording system. This is where you track all your costs in real time. You can use software like QuickBooks or SAP for this. It makes life so much easier. And finally, step 5. Set up a reporting mechanism. You need to analyze and interpret the data to make informed decisions. Regular reports can help you spot trends and control costs effectively. Remember, a strong cost system is crucial for any business. It helps in budgeting, forecasting, and boosting profitability. So take these steps seriously, and you'll be on your way to becoming a cost accounting pro. That's it for today, folks. Catch you in the next one.